There are many ways to start a recording from within Notewise. If you have already set up your recording using the Schedule option, then you will click on the Schedule tab. Locate your scheduled recording session. Hover your mouse over the session name and click on the Start Recording icon. This will start the recording and switch you over to the Record tab, where you will see your recording and be able to add your annotations. If you did not set up your recording earlier, then you can click on the Record tab. When you are not currently in a recording session, the Record tab will open the Sessions property window. You will want to capture as much information as you can that pertains to your proceeding: a session name, the location of the proceeding, a description of the proceeding, and any additional fields that you have created. Click in a text field and type the corresponding information. It is not necessary to select a date, as the system will select the current date. You can add your speakers to the speakers list now, or you can simply start typing them in the Speaker ID field when recording, and they will be added automatically. When ready, click the Start Recording button. Your current recording session will now be opened in the Record tab. We will discuss the elements of the recording panel in a different video. If you are not quite ready to actually start the recording, you can click the Save button to save this information. When you are ready to start the recording, you will click on the Record tab, which will open the Saved Session Properties window, and you can just click on the Start Recording button. Best practices would recommend that you do a test of your recording before the proceeding begins. This can be accomplished by using the previous steps to set up the recording and clicking on the Start Recording button. Conduct your test of your audio system by listening to and adjusting your mics. When you are satisfied with your audio levels, click on the Pause button to be in a standby state. When you are ready to go on the record, click on the Record button. If you are in a hurry to go on the record and you don't have time to properly set up the session properties, just click on the Record button on the Notewise toolbar. A default session name will be generated consisting of the date and time the recording was started. You can change this at any time during or after the close of the recording, as well as the rest of the session properties. To change the session name while recording, click in the Recording Session Name text field on the toolbar and change the name. You can also click on the Session Properties icon on the toolbar. This will open the Session Properties window where you can input the information you want. Again, this can be done at any time during or after the recording.